So, with the growing lawlessness and violence of ICE, I think it's important that we have ways to defend ourselves. And we can't use violence and unlawful actions like they can. But what has been proven to be very effective in other states that ICE have invaded is whistles. So, people have been going on whistle brigades to alert people of the presence of ICE, basically. And I've been playing with some 3D printed whistles just to see what they're like. And I found this one's pretty good. There will be a link in the description. I believe the title of the Thingiverse listing is Dual Tube Security Whistle. But I found that it's a very durable whistle. It's very strong, very well made, and it has a nice hole in it for a lanyard. And it's pretty easy to print. It takes about 45 minutes to print one, and depending on where you live, your local makerspace or library might have 3D printers available for rent, so you can print these off on your own. And it's a really impressive whistle. Even if you're not going to use it to whistle at ice, it's pretty good in general. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on my hearing protection, and I'm just going to kind of blow through it a few times to demonstrate how loud it is. And I will be editing the video and toning down the audio so I'm not blowing out your ears. So you're going to have to use the sound meter as a reference to get an idea of how loud it is compared to me talking. The camera that I'm recording with is about 2.5 feet away from this phone, and I'm going to be standing probably about arm's length away from it. Now, interestingly, it doesn't go above 80 dB on here, but I don't know if that's a limitation of the phone itself, if it's the frequency of the whistle, or if there's something else going on. But this is incredibly loud. The times I have blown on it hard, just to see how loud it could go without hearing protection, was incredibly painful. So, definitely a very impressive and well-designed whistle. If you do plan on using it, might not be a bad idea to bring some hearing protection of some sort with you, whether it be like some earmuffs or just your normal the little squishy foam earplugs that you can stick in your ears. But overall, really nice whistle, and hopefully that is useful to you.